Hello guys, welcome to another Fuse Academy session. Today, what we're going to be diving into is how to secure your Web3 domain name on the Fuse network with our newly integrated partner, OpenName. Okay, so we're going to dive right into this. So let's start off. So what does OpenName do? It allows the seamless registration of multi-chain Web3 domain names on Fuse network. So what are we talking about? Domain names. So some of you may remember that the importance of domain names in the past. For example, the www boom, where a lot of people were out there speculating on website addresses. Would companies such as Nike, Adidas, all these others want to register websites? If yes, if you had already registered www.adidas.com way before they even thought about it, you could potentially sell it and other things. So there was a big rush for domain names. It's like owning your piece of the internet real estate, as it were. So the rise of Web3 has really revived the focus on domain names, because you've got the next level of the internet, which also has a different set of domain name structures to it. So with blockchain technology at the heart of it, at the heart of the new decentralized internet, domain names are really crucial in identifying and accessing digital assets and services. And they also act as a gateway to decentralized content, platforms, apps, and it makes them a really key element of the user experience and success of Fuse Network. So quickly, what do you need to know? We made this announcement recently, so I'll just fire through exactly what you need to know. So OpenName is integrated with Fuse, and it allows users to register and manage Web3 domain names on the Fuse network. There is a link below this video that you can click to get directly through to where you can do it. The point of this video is to show you exactly what to do. Okay, so what are Web3 domain names? They're vital for accessing decentralized content and enhancing user experience on Fuse network. So what can they do? You can associate a Web3 domain name with your wallet address on Fuse, simplifying access and highlighting the importance. So this is one of the really big things that I want to get into first. Okay, so when you have a wallet address, let me show you, it's much easier. Let me show you. Here is my MetaMask account, and here is a wallet address. This one here, this big long code. This is the beginning and this is the end. There are many, many more digits and letters in the middle here. Above it, you will see that I have a identifier called caned.eth. Now, this is a domain name registered on the Ethereum name service domain platform. I did this many years ago. So what I have done is, rather than when I want to, if somebody's sending me some crypto, I can basically say to them, they'll ask me for my wallet address and I'll say caned.eth. That's my wallet address. And they'll put that in and they'll send it and it will arrive. So for those of you that do transactions often, checking wallet addresses, double checking, triple checking, quadruple checking most of the time is very time consuming and really kind of annoying and risky. So this is a way to eliminate that. Okay. So as you can see, it's there. So this is the website here. So let's just quickly go through the website, and we're on the landing page of OpenName. So make sure that you navigate to the correct website, which is open.name. And it says here your favorite Web3 domain names, your payment address. So it's multi-chain, it's cross-chain, and it's custom TLDs. TLD means top level domain. You can see some data here as well. So more than 86,000 names, 90 TLDs, more than 65,000 owners, and 43 partners. And this bit really kind of sets it off. So let your imagination soar, gives you an idea of what you could actually register as a domain name. So you've got Squid Game, Drill London, I Love You, Infinite Money. I think everybody would like that. So you get a good idea. Here you see the popular TLDs. So you can see the .open.name is the most popular with 64K registrations. Really cool. Web3.o is the second, ZK, Scroll, Base, and Fuse will be here soon. Hopefully they're at the top, but we've just integrated. So, and again, that's why we're doing this video, to teach people how to actually go and register a domain name. So it's multi-chain, as it says, 19 blockchains. That's facilitated by Layer 0. If you don't know about Layer 0, then you really should go and do some homework on them. One of the finest companies in Web3, in my opinion. What else? Let's get more. So more than a domain name. So what are we talking about? User-friendly payments. See, the receiver puts in cane.eth, I love you.fuse, sends the amount, done. it creates a unified identity. So you've got this identity, and then you're basically linking different dApps, Web3 apps like Uniswap, like Voltage Finance, through a unified domain name. Okay, it gives you this decentralized profile, and you can showcase your wallet address and much more. So let's get into the app. So we've seen the website, we've seen the basics. So when you click app, this is what we want to get into today. So how do you create a TDL domain name on Fuse? So first things first, you want to navigate to this address, which is app.open.net. Once you get here, you'll see down here that we've got new TLDs, top level domains, CeeLo, Panda, Fuse, BRC. If you click Fuse, then you're going to then be able to search through what's available on Fuse. So what shall we pick out today? Let me see if I can get my same handle that I have on Ethereum on Fuse. Oh, I can. Awesome. Kane. Oh, I can't. No way. Oh, I can. Sorry. Missed it. I'm at the top. So if I want to register Kane.Fuse on the Fuse network, I can, and it's going to cost me $9.99 a year. Okay. So let's click that. Yes, I'd like to register that on Fuse. MetaMask. Awesome. So let's have a look at this now. Okay, so the registration period. So what you're doing is you're registering the domain name for a certain length of time, the minimum being 1 year. Okay, so you can have 1 year, 2 years. Now you'll see that the price jumped by roughly $10 every time we jump up a year. So if you want to secure for 10 years, you're looking at $99. You've got your gas fees, which on Fuse are ridiculously low. So it's like less than a cent. So the fee is actually what you see here, $99.9 to register, or sorry, 1,363 Fuse token, 0.86 Fuse tokens to register this domain name of caned.fuse, which is pretty cool. So I don't have sufficient balance to go for 10 years. Let's have a look at lifetime. Wow, lifetime. Okay, so you can see that for 1 year, you're going to pay $10. And for 2 years, you're going to pay $20. But if you just go for lifetime, hold for life, $15.99. That's cool. That's a great way to save some money and get in there. I think I might actually go for the hold for life, and I'm going to register that. So MetaMask is popping up. It's asking me, do I want to spend? That's my balance. Money bags today. That's my balance, and I'm signing this request, so I'm going to sign it. That's done. Here comes MetaMask. Here we see now the cost is €14.83. That's how much it's going to cost me. The gas fee is, again, as I told you, ridiculously low, so it basically equates to nothing. And the amount plus the gas fee is going to cost me €14.83. Boom! I'll take it. All right, so it's happening. Here we go. It's registering my name for me. How lovely. There we go. You can receive an expiry reminder by email, so it will remind me when my lifetime is over. That's probably not going to be so useful. And you can follow on social. So this is pretty cool. And also, what's really cool is here, you've got set primary name as your main option. Okay. Now, I'm not going to set this one as my primary name right now, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we've secured our domain name. Let's just go through the process of setting the primary name. So, set a primary name to serve as your unified identity or username across different apps. Once set, you can change it anytime. So I only own this one, so I can only choose this one, right? I'm the owner and I'm the manager. So I'm going to take that. And now it wants me to pay a gas fee, which is, again, as I keep saying, ridiculously small. It's basically going to cost me nothing to do this. And once I click confirm, that's it. I'm done. And I have set my primary name as caned.fuse. And that's it. So I'm going to reject this because I don't want to do this today. But that's how you do it. Okay. So setting the primary domain is the stage 2. Buying it, getting it is stage 1. Setting it is stage 2. You don't have to set it at all. You can just leave it and not do anything with it. The other thing, we'll get into that into 1 second. So how to set your primary domain. There is a full guide here, and I've just been through the process as well. But the beautiful thing is that once you've actually purchased, you are prompted to set it. So it takes you on a very logical journey, and it makes a lot of sense. So if you want to go to this area, I'll put the link in the description as well. So after you've purchased the desired domain name, one final step, navigate to My Names, which is where we were, click Set Primary Name, next to the address, choose the domain, confirm the transaction and pay the low gas fee, and that's it. You're done. Okay. So as I say, I'll link all this through, so you've got all the information that you require. Okay, cool. So we've gone through. That's how you do it. That's how you register names, domain names on the Fuse blockchain. It's very simple. It's really fast, and hopefully this video has taught you everything you need to know. If not, all these links will be here, as I said. If you still get stuck, give me a shout, or consult these docs here, because they are really, really good. Okay, you've got step-by-step guides on setting the primary domain, which is kind of what you're going to want to do. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting. OpenName is a very cool platform, and we are really excited about having them integrated with Fuse Network and able to offer Fuse community customized Web3 domains and wallet addresses. It's really cool. So go check it out. Go take a look. Let us know what you think. And like I said, if you get stuck, please do shout. We are always here to help you. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you very soon.